Welcome to Activity 56. In this activity, we will be developing the strategy of partitioning wholes to 20 into two parts using 5+ bonds to solve subtraction. To complete this activity, you need one of each block from 1 to 4, 2 5s, and both blank 5s placed on this frame here. If you have original boards, please place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. When representing the wholes with bond blocks, we place them in the same way that you would fill counters on a 5 frame. This would be 11, 12, lined up on the left, 13, 14, I can see one more, makes 15. When it comes to the wholes of 16 on, we fill the next row starting at the left. So this would be 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. When we subtract, it's whole subtract part equals part. The whole of 16, subtract the part we know of 5, equals the remaining part of 11. Player 1 goes first, and they spin 19 subtract 5. First they build the whole of 19, then we subtract 5. Subtracting the part of 5 leaves me with the part of 14. Whole subtract part equals part. The whole of 19. Subtract the part of 5 left, the part of 14. Player 2 has their turn, and I'm going to model that they spun 13 subtract 5. They build the whole of 13. There's the whole. We then subtract the part we know of 5, and this leaves us with a part of 8. The whole of 13, subtract the part of 5, equals the part of 8. For this round, player 2 is the winner because the aim is to build the smallest or least part that is the answer. Now it's your turn.